everyone, this is Nazlı from Popupsmart, and in this video I will show you how to add custom CSS to your pop-ups with Popupsmart. So it's quite simple to customize your pop-ups further using CSS with Popupsmart. Thanks to unique page IDs, you can make changes on your pop-up steps separately. You can make changes on mobile or desktop only. You can also make changes with the size or look of your pop-up blocks. The page ID structure is unique for each page. So if you want to edit the canvas of each page separately, you just need to call that page with its data page ID. So before we start, I want to mention a few things so as not to experience any problems with adding custom CSS. First thing is there shouldn't be any space between page ID and device type, and there should be a space between block and the previous definitions. If you don't specify the device type, changes will apply to all, and sometimes codes conflict, so it's important to add an exclamation mark important tag at the end of your CSS code to make sure it works perfectly. Okay, now let's see how it's done. I'm on one of my pop-up campaigns right now. I'm on the customize step. I will continue with style. From there, navigate to advanced style. Okay, when you scroll down, you will see this custom CSS model. So I will just right click on my pop-up and continue with inspect. From here, I will see the page ID. Okay, here you can see the data page ID, so I will copy this. Okay, so I pasted my data page ID and data device type in box brackets in the custom CSS window. Remember, at this point, there shouldn't be any space between the data page ID and data device type. Okay, for this pop-up, I wanted the left block to be larger than the right one. I also added no shadow. So there is no shadow under the pop-up. As you can see, you can use this code right here. You can find it on our help documentation. You can see it on help.popupsmart.com. And this is a mobile custom CSS example. As you can see, the desktop version is still the same, but if you want to do mobile changes only, you can again do it. You can change the background. You can play around with the size as well. And again, you can find this code on our help documentation. You can also use custom CSS to edit the elements on your pop-up. In this example, you will see the email address box. It was white by default, but thanks to custom CSS, I made it sky blue and you can change it. You can make it any color you want. Let's try red, for example. You can make dark red or whatever you wish. You can find each element ID by clicking on them, and you can see right under element ID. In this case, I used the element ID of the email address element. So you can experiment with various CSS properties like font size, color, padding, margin, background, and more to achieve the desired visual effect. You can preview the changes in real time within the pop-up editor to see how they impact the selected element. And that's it from me. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us, and you can always check out Popupsmart's help page at help.popupsmart.com. Bye!